Good morning, Papa here. Welcome back to Papa's Plants. Today, going on a little field trip. Me and my son-in-law, we're gonna head over to a small community not too far from me, and we're gonna go where they actually manufacture the material that I use to put in my pots. So we're gonna head over there today, take a look, see what they've got, see if there may be some other options other than what I'm currently using right now. But go along with us, and we're gonna head over there and pick up some material. Okay, so we're here at the plant. We're gonna get us about 3 or 4 yards of this material here. It's a great potting mix. It's a combination of composted pine bark, perlite, composted manure, and coconut husk. They blend it right here and sell it by the yard. Great material. This is what I'm gonna start using this year, and I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, we're back from our little trip today. Had a great day with the son-in-law. So went out to Woodbury, Georgia today and picked up a load of bulk pot mix. So we'll have a material that we can pot up all those plants that need to get potted up this winter. But I also wanted to go in just a little bit more detail about what happened today. So in the earlier video, I had mentioned to you guys that I mix my own pot mix from material that I get from Lowe's. Well, actually was getting it from the same place I got the material today, but I was getting it at wholesale. So I was getting the bag of material at about half price. So I went today to actually get that material. And that original formula was 1 bag, 2 cubic feet, 1 bag of soil conditioner, 1 cubic foot or 1 bag of composted manure, and 2 heaping shovelfuls of peat moss. And that's what I've been using for the last 2 or 3 years, and it works great. But today I went out there and was talking with our guy out there at the plant, and he said that he had started mixing a new blend. And so we went out and took a look at it, and it actually was, don't know the exact percentages, but it was double ground pine bark. It was composted manure. It was some perlite and some coconut husk. And I took a look at, actually in the video, you saw where I picked up a couple of handfuls of it, and it's just beautiful material. And I'm really excited about using that this year. Now, got that in bulk, as you saw, sold by the yard. It was $35 a yard. We ended up getting, in that trailer, I think we ended up getting about, well, we got 3 bucketfuls. But by measuring the trailer, I ended up figuring out that we actually got about 3.5 yards. But anyhow, it worked out really good. I'm really excited about using it. So just wanted to give you a little bit more information about that. So, okay, so again, I appreciate you being with us. I appreciate you coming along for this journey. Again, we are just getting started with this YouTube journey, and we certainly appreciate each and every one of you that have subscribed up to this point and liked the videos. If you like today's video, please consider subscribing. Please hit that like button, and it really helps on the algorithm. So again, till next time, you guys have a great week. We'll see you next week.